Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, so I just wanted to drop a really short tutorial about this no foundation look that I did with a lot of new but good products. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's the Kosas Tinted Face Oil in the shade 8.7. This is my new go-to. Like, I've been on the search for another kind of base for my looks, and I've actually really enjoyed this. It's great for dry skin. And of course, we're gonna go with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, my oldie but goodie in the shade Espresso. And I'm just gonna use that just for concealing my under eyes and also my top lip area because she's a little darker than the rest, but that's fine. Brows have been looking great recently because of this combination of the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4.5 and the Mented Cosmetic Brow Pencil in the shade Brow or Later. Just gonna blend that in and then also set with the Fenty Beauty Powder in Nutmeg. I'm usually not a powder girl, but look, this did something, okay? I see why people do it. It looks great. It looks like the powder that I used made it so it didn't look super cakey. So I really appreciated how well it, set my under eye area. And this is me realizing I might be a powder girl. So yeah. What's really exciting is this Vesca bronzer. I don't know why I can't say bronzer. Anyways, I'm using the shade Kissed by Cabo. I am now actually affiliate with Vesca, and I'm really excited to show y'all more of their products with this bronzer, the inclusivity, the range, everything. So if you wanted to get a discount, use my code DEMOLA10 at checkout and you will get 10% off. Another favorite, Ilia Beauty, they gifted me their newest eye tint. Is that right? I don't know. The right name will be in the description bar though. And I got the shade, I have the shade Hatch, and it's a beautiful like sage kind of color. And I love me green. If you don't, go to my Instagram. You will see I'm obsessed with green. So this is the perfect shade for me because it's sheer enough where it's not too overwhelming, but like it still gives a pop of color on the eyelid. And to blend that out, I'm actually going to be using some bronzer because we love to use one product in multiple places. And I just put that right on top to help blend it in. I could have left it as is, but for some reason I was using the bronzer. And I'm also gonna use the Vesca highlighting powder just in the inner corner in the shade Dream. And that's just, again, to give a little pop. Setting my face with my Milani setting spray. I don't have the bottle anymore because I put it in a new bottle. And then once that is setting, I will go ahead and use my mascara. And that one is also by Ilia Beauty. And then I like to actually fill in my brows. I like to fill in my moles, my beauty marks, because I like them a lot, but with makeup, they tend to get covered up, so. And then I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX lip pencil in Espresso, and then use the Fenty Beauty gloss. I forgot what shade it is, but it's the chocolate one, the one that looks like chocolate. And here we are fluffing my hair out. I actually got a cut recently that I've really enjoyed, but I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.